These are cedar waxwing birds at a bird feeder. You don't have to have a bird feeder to attract these. Why not plant a shrub or a small tree that'll do the job for you? We have it. It's called the eastern red cedar. The eastern red cedar is very easy to grow. The eastern red cedar is cold hardy, adaptable. It's an evergreen that serves many useful purposes in the landscape, especially if your site is dry, alkaline, or windy. The foliage is scale-like needles and is attractive but is somewhat prickly. Late in the summer and early in the fall, many of the junipers have a blue-green berry-like fruit, actually modified cones that will attract birds. Because they are quite salt-tolerant, they can be used near roads, driveways, and sidewalks. I like to grow the eastern red cedar because it's easy to grow, but it's a little bit more difficult to sell if you're going to grow trees for production. And it's not as widely used in the landscape as a tree such as the green giant arborvitae. So though I like growing the eastern red cedar, I don't grow as many of them as I probably could or should, but I find them a very rewarding tree in the landscape, especially because I know that it does attract a lot of birds, which I like to have on my farm. So even if I don't sell the trees, I let them grow up a little bit because I can, and they do attract the birds, which are important to me because birds help keep down insect populations, which makes our farm more productive in the end run. So if you have any questions about growing an eastern red cedar at your site, you can call me. This is Bill at Highland Hill Farm. We're on Route 313 in Fountainville, and we do deliver and install our trees in New Jersey and Pennsylvania, and we can ship seedlings nationwide except to California and perhaps Hawaii. And we are available to answer your calls, so you just give us a call if you have a question at 215 651 8329.